In this video, we'll walk you through how to access shared patient records on your iTero scanner and in the MyiTero portal. Shared patient records feature lets you view orders, scans, and history from all doctors in your clinic. You can now complete this process on your own without contacting customer support. That means you can review a shared patient's full history, previous orders, scans, RX, and images, so you can make more informed clinical decisions and collaborate more effectively across the practice. Let's start by viewing records from all doctors in your clinic from the patients list on the scanner. From the home screen, open Patients. By default, the patient list displays patients from all doctors in the clinic, as indicated by the Show All Doctors drop-down. To view patients for a specific doctor, open the drop-down and select the desired doctor. Let's continue by viewing records from all doctors in your clinic from the patients list on MyiTero.com. Open MyiTero.com on your computer and log in with your username and password. From the home screen, click Patients. By default, MyiTero shows only the patients assigned to you. To view patients from across the clinic, turn on the Show from All Doctors toggle at the top of the list. The list refreshes to include patients from all doctors in the clinic. To focus on one specific doctor's patients, use the doctor drop-down at the top of the page and select that doctor's name. Viewing records from all doctors in your clinic from the Orders view on MyiTero.com. The same Show from All Doctors toggle and doctor drop-down are available on the Orders page, giving you the same cross-clinic visibility there. If this feature is not enabled for your user, contact your practice administrator. If you don't know who your practice administrator is, contact iTero support to request access. With self-service features, you can also reassign cases to another doctor and merge duplicate patient profiles. No support ticket required. Visit the Align Education site to learn more. It starts with iTero.